Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe the channel. Today, John Cena is our favorite personality. Is the favorite and the most popular wrestler, come actor of the United States of America. John Cena is an American actor as well as professional wrestler. As a wrestler, he has been signed to World WWE since 2001 but has performed part-time since 2018 with plans to retire at the end of 2025. A record 16-time world champion as recognized by WWE. Cena moved to California in 1998 to pursue a bodybuilding career and switched to the professional wrestling in 1999, making his debut for Ultimate Pro Wrestling. In 2001, he signed with WWE and was assigned to its developmental territory, Ohio Valley Wrestling, where he won the OVW Heavyweight Championship and OVW Southern Tag Team Championship. After moving up to the WWE main roster on SmackDown in 2002, he became a breakout success after adopting the character of villainous trash talking rapper. After winning his first WWE Championship in 2005, he transitioned into a clean cut heroic character, which he described as a goody two shoes Superman. He led the company as a franchise player. Cena has held WWE Championship record 13 times and the World Heavyweight Champion 3 times. He is also a 5-time WWE United States Champion, a 2-time WWE Tag Team Champion, as well as 2-time World Tag Team Champion, a 2-time Royal Rumble winner, and a 1-time Money in the Bank winner. That's are the achievement of the John Cena which he enjoyed in his little career. He has headlined multiple major WWE pay-per-views, including 5-time headlining its flagship event WrestleMania. His career has been met with mixed critical and audience reception, with praise for his character work and promotional skills, but criticism for his perceived over representation and on screen dominance relative to the others wrestler. If we talk about his early life, John Cena was born in the West Newbury on April 23, 1974, to Carol and former Chaotic Wrestling ring announcer John Joseph Cena. His mother is of English and French Canadian descent, while his father has Italian ancestry. He has one older brother and named Dan, and 3 younger brothers named Matt, Steve, and Sean. He was raised Roman Catholic. His maternal grandfather was baseball champion. Professionally, John Cena is a very humble and very patient wrestler in the WWE, the history. John Cena on October 10, 2000, Cena made his unofficial debut for World WWE Wrestling Championship in the SmackDown. He did many wrestling competition with a different wrestler like Undertaker, Big Show, as well as Batista. Meanwhile, under his different time of his career, John Cena won Royal Rumble match as well as and lot of other matches. In 2005, he and Batista went over the top rope at the same time, at first ending the match. That was the amazing and the wonderful imaginary, you can say that the view that he and Batista went over the top rope at the same time, at first ending the match, but the match was restarted and won by Batista. At No Way Out on Feb 20, Cena defeated Angle to earn a spot in the SmackDown brand WrestleMania 21 main event match, beginning a feud with 2024. Cena made his surprise return at Money in the Bank to announce his future retirement from in ring action. He declared that WrestleMania 41 will be his final WrestleMania, but he will continue to wrestle until the end of 2025. Thank you very much.